Air India announced the availability of Wi Fi internet access service on domestic and international flights. Air India will be the first airline in India to provide internet access on domestic flights. How does in flight Wi Fi work? At present, the Wi-Fi is provided on the airline's Airbus A350 and Boeing 7879 and selected Airbus Air 321 Neo aircraft. As for an ongoing flight program, the airline already provided internet connectivity on foreign flights operated by these aircraft. In flight, Wi Fi works through two primary methods: air to ground ATG technology, satellite based connectivity. ATG technology, an antenna on the aircraft receives signals from ground based cell towers. This is similar to how your phone connects to cell towers on the ground, effective for flights over populated areas with good ground coverage. Satellite based connectivity, an antenna on the aircraft transmit signals to satellites in orbit. Satellites relay data between the aircraft and ground station, provides wider coverage, remote areas and oceans. In flight communication systems rely on ground based cellular towers, commonly known as to air to ground technology, and satellite based connectivity both requires the installation of special antenna and other equipment on the aircraft. In the former, an antenna typically located around the plane's belly receives signals from the nearest tower on the ground or ground receiver to offer connectivity on board the aircraft. In some ways, this is analogous to how our devices use wireless internet on the ground. The other alternative, which is rapidly gaining popularity, is the satellite connectivity. Simply but base stations broadcast the internet to aeroplanes via satellites, which use antennae located on top of the aircraft fuselage. Multiple Wi Fi antennas are positioned within the aircraft cabin and receive signal from passengers' device. Signals from these in cabin antenna are sent to an on board server. Until this point, the procedure is the same for both ATG and satellite based connectivity. In the case of the satellite based connection system, signals are delivered to a satellite via an antenna on top of the aircraft, which then relays them to a ground station or teleport. In response, signals are transmitted from the ground station to the satellite, which transmit them to the plane. Signals from the aircraft server as transmitted directly to an land cellular towers and via the antenna below the aircraft. The towers then replay by sending signals to the aircraft.